Hello everyone, if you want to find and manage sound settings on your Redmi A3, so first you will open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to your sound and vibration tab here at S. Open it up. So here you'll see a lot of sliders such as media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume and alarm volume. So use the sliders, drag them left or right to change them. The next thing is our do not disturb mode. So here you can turn it on, set up the rules for it and make it adjustable. Pretty good. Then you can change your ringtone to your liking. You can choose a media player display. You can choose whether enable it or disable it. You can choose your vibration settings. So use haptic vibration, and here is a lot of different vibration settings, so I recommend you going through them. The next thing is our silent mode, so you can enable it or disable it. You can choose your default notification sound, default alarm sound. Also there is an additional settings where you can find system sounds like keyboard sounds, screen lock, chair charting and so on and so on. Also, I recommend you enabling always show icon when in vibrate mode option. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.